Have you ever been told that cracking your knuckles will give you arthritis? Well, let's crack this myth wide open. This is one of those classic warnings we've all heard, but how true is it? When you crack your knuckles, what you're actually hearing is the sound of gas bubbles popping in the fluid that lubricates your joints. It's called cavitation, and it's completely harmless. Studies have shown that there's no connection between knuckle cracking and arthritis. In fact, one doctor cracked the knuckles on just one hand for 60 years and found no difference between the two hands. So next time someone warns you, you can tell them, cracking your knuckles might annoy people, but it's not hurting your joints. Myth busted. What other myths should we crack? Drop a comment below, follow for more unusual facts.